Tattoos are designed to last a lifetime, but what if you don't want to keep it that long? Luckily, there's a way to remove it with lasers. Here's how it works. The second the tattoo ink penetrates the skin, your immune system sounds a red alert. White blood cells rush to the injection site to inspect the intruder. Tattoo ink is often made of heavy metals that your blood cells can't recognize, so they immediately start attacking it and escorting it towards the exit, your kidneys. But there's a problem. Your blood cells are minuscule in size compared to ink droplets. It's like a human trying to move a gigantic boulder. Your cells can rage war for decades, but the tattoo will remain intact. That's where the laser comes in. Energy from the laser acts like a giant sledgehammer. It heats up the ink in your skin, breaking ink droplets apart into smaller pieces. Now the ink is easier for white blood cells to carry away. It can take over a dozen laser sessions to help your body fully remove a tattoo. That's something to think about before you go under the needle.